welcome to my channel. I am going to share with y'all a wonderful shop that I really think that y'all need to visit if y'all have not already. She also has a YouTube channel. I will leave both a link to her Etsy shop and a link to her YouTube channel down in my description. And I am talking about Latina Loves Laces, and her name is Juana. And on Instagram, she also has an Instagram account. You can find her under Juana Lisa. And I've ordered from her a couple of times, and she makes me so happy. So let's first start with the very first thing that I ordered. So y'all, I went to her shop to buy some flowers, and I've yet to buy flowers from her. I need to buy some flowers. They are beautiful, beautiful flowers. The reason why I did not buy flowers from her that time that I went was because I found this. Can y'all see why? I mean, come on. That's just beautiful. Y'all, I keep having to look at the back of my camera to make sure that I'm in center. And yes, my husband does have the stuff to set up my new camera thingy and lights and all that, so that hopefully that will make a really gorgeous big difference. I'm excited. But anyway, for now, so anyway, here's her name of her Etsy shop, Latina Loves Lace. Can y'all see that? But y'all, just look. Oh my goodness. It is beautiful. I do not have anything. I've had this for a while now, and I do not have anything in it yet. I'm sure something will eventually go. Come on, quit touching the camera thingy. And then the top, y'all, I cannot. This is just beautiful. And I love the way that she wrapped this with ribbon, so that it's very, very gentle when it goes in. Closes perfectly, but it's very gentle. So hopefully I won't break that. Gorgeous. I love it. Love it. Okay. And then, not too long ago, a couple weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago, I went to her channel to buy something that I had seen. I think it was on her YouTube channel, and it was already gone. But this kit, I don't know what you want to call it, kit, it all come together. All of this was there, and all of this was lumped together into one purchase, one thing. And it's just so pretty, so pretty. So let's start with this wall hanging. And here she made this heart wall hanging. Hangs with these gorgeous pearls. Beautiful appliques. And here we've got some really, really pretty, look at that, scrolls of sorts. So pretty. Pretty little bookmark. And a little teeny tiny journal. And to top it all off, the prettiest tissue paper for a lovely background. I do have this hanging actually in this room. This room is not my craft room. It's more of a craft. It's my guest room actually, and it's a place where I have a bunch of storage and where I do my photography and my videos, and sometimes crafting if I'm crafting, you know, to share with y'all. And of course I'm doing it here. But anyway, I think it's a really beautiful room, and I am going to share with y'all very, very soon both this room and my craft room. I've been asked by a couple of people, and I just thought this went beautifully in here in the place where y'all will see in a week or two. There's still a couple things I want to do, and you know, I keep putting off the video because I get these ideas of things I want to do and I want to share it with y'all. But I'm thinking I'll I'll go ahead and share, and then, you know, I can update later when I do get those things changed. Okay, I'm going to set this aside, and we are going to go to the clutch. I like that lace up underneath and those little tiny flowers hanging off. Oh, it's just so pretty. Gorgeous flower. Gorgeous flower, Juana. She does make just the prettiest flowers. I love them. That is held on by that magnet. She's even got the inside lined with lace. How gorgeous is that? And in here, y'all, yeah, love it. Got this pretty little booklet. And another tiny little booklet in the middle. So pretty. I had meant to share the lace jar with y'all after I got that, and then I never got around to it, and I'm glad that I didn't, because now I can share this and that at the same time and show y'all, you know, a nice sampling of her gorgeous work. I wish I had some flowers to show y'all. Yeah, go check out her Etsy shop, you'll see. I hope I'm actually doing a close-up with my camera. Y'all look at this. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm gonna leave that attached. That just makes it easier. But the back, even really pretty. All right. And look at this. The tiniest, daintiest, wispy little hanging off charms, little pieces of jewelry that she made. Got a journal here. It's a bunch of really pretty dyed papers. This pretty little lace pocket. Little pocket here. And I like throughout this she has little inspirational quotes like this, like, unrelenting hope is not yielding or swerving determination or resolution. I like that. So pretty. Thank you, Juana. I love it. I do. Each breath is a love letter authored by God. And do y'all know that that's true? You can read in the Bible where it says that the closest that we can come to speaking his name, not verbatim, y'all can look it up yourself. Every time we breathe in and every time we breathe out, we speak his name. And I'm not sure if that's because of the way his name sounds, or that our ruach, our spirit, which is breath, comes directly from him. And when we die, our spirit, our breath goes right back to him. So I don't know if it's our inhaling the breath and exhaling it that is us, you know, speaking his name, being as it's from him, or it's actually the way that his true name sounds. But I love it. I love it. So even those that don't believe, every time they breathe in and out, they're speaking his name. How cool is that? Okay, didn't mean to go off on a preaching tangent. That's just, I love it. The miracles that he is, that we are surrounded with every single day and with every breath that we take. It never ceases to amaze me. That is gorgeous. I love that vellum. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Another one of those pretty charms. Gorgeous little pearl there. Another journal. There y'all can see. Another journal filled with dyed papers. I see some, what looks like avocado, coffee, and tea dye. No matter what yesterday was like, birds always start the new day with a song. I like the way that she did that. And got a little teeny tiny one full of prints and coffee dyed papers, or dyed papers, not specifically just coffee dyed. Got a cameo. That is so pretty. That's that little teeny tiny shimmery. Can y'all see? Oh, I gotta show y'all. That is just so cute. Can y'all see how shimmery that little teeny tiny charm is? That is so pretty. I know some of y'all might think, you know, that I get just a bit too excited about this stuff and the work that I do and the work that, you know, others do and this sort of thing. And I was thinking about that this morning. And, you know, that kind of makes me sad when people think that I get too excited, because I want to know, why aren't you more excited? I hope that I never get over this feeling when I make something that I absolutely love, when I see something, purchase something that I absolutely love. It makes me happy, it makes me excited, and I want to share that. Bravely shine your unique light. I need to share with y'all, not today, but at some point, the why the word sunshines is in my name. There's a reason for that, and it kind of has to do with this. It has to do with the verse that says, "Let your light so shine before men that they may see your good works and glorify your Father in heaven." But I bet it's not what y'all are thinking. It's truly it's a miraculous story. I love that vellum, and these are gorgeous. Pretty, pretty, pretty hearts. Okay, and you are wonderfully made. So true. Gorgeous. All right, y'all, that is the end of me sharing Miss Juana's Latina's Love Lace. Did I get that right? I want to make sure that I got that name right. Let me see. Latina's Love Lace. Yep. Latina loves lace. It's Latina loves. So no S on the end of Latina. I keep saying Latina's Love Lace, but it's actually Latina loves lace. So I am done sharing my haul from her. And I hope that y'all enjoyed it, and I do hope that y'all will go check her out, her channel, and her Etsy shop. And like I said, y'all can find her under Juana Lisa on Instagram as well. And y'all, thank y'all for watching, and we will talk later. Bye.